protein synthesis means the formation of something in our body. Actually, protein synthesized into our cell. And we know that protein synthesized with the help of DNA. In DNA, there is a genetic code. Genetic code very important for synthesis of protein. Protein are involved for the formation of structure, transport the material from one place to another place. These are also protein function. So I want to explain you here. Protein actually in the nucleus, the messenger RNA, which is expressed by genetic codes. Messenger RNA in the nucleus. From nucleus it replicates and goes outside and attaches with the ribosomes. Ribosome, it's an organelle in the cytoplasm. Here, the formation of protein synthesis mainly, which synthesize the protein. The main function of ribosomes is to synthesize the protein. Ribosomes are formed with the ribosomal RNA, and during the production of protein synthesis, this process is known as translation. What is translation? There are 6 steps of translation during the formation of protein. Here, when translation happens, you know that translation RNA comes here. Here the function of translation RNA. First, messenger. Second, ribosomal RNA. Third, which is transfer RNA. It carry amino acid and leave amino acid. When it leaves, this is known as methionine. 6 steps of translation. One is initiation, elongation, termination, translational regulation, protein folding, and protein targeting. The last step, initiation, means assembly of these messenger RNA to the ribosomes. These are initial steps. And elongation means more amino acid, addition of more amino acid during the process of synthesis. Termination means we know that when protein synthesized, it goes to their site here. The one amino acid attaches, another. So it goes to their site direction. This is known as termination. Direction means to their site. And translational regulation, which is most commonly gene expressed. Protein folding, during it is continuously spontaneous protein folding. As we know that there are different kind of protein structure, primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure. Okay, and this process happen in protein folding. Means primary, secondary, and tertiary. These types depend on protein folding. Another is targeting. This is the main step, the last step, where the protein goes. Where the protein goes for means as we know that there are different amino acid types. So the last step goes their position or location.